Hello friends, start your mornings with these drinks. Lemon and chia seeds, drinks with honey. Number 1. Add the chia seeds to water. Add a spoon of honey. Squeeze in lemon. Stir well. Number 2. Fenugreek seeds, also called methi seeds. Add to water, keep overnight and drink in the morning before breakfast. Number 3. Green tea. Boil water. Let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes. Place 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves in a teapot or a cup with a strainer. Steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain out the tea leaves. Drink as it is. To add a slice of lemon. Number 4. Ginger tea. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the sliced ginger to the boiling water. Add tea leaves. Let it boil together. Reduce the heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup. Serve hot. Number 5. Mint tea. Boil water and add the mint leaves. Let the tea steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup. Serve hot or let it cool and pour over ice for iced mint tea. Number 6. Hibiscus. Dried hibiscus flowers or 2 hibiscus tea bags. Add to hot water, leave for 6 minutes. Stir well. Remove the petals. Serve warm. Number 8. Cinnamon tea. Boil water, add the cinnamon sticks and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it steep for another 2 to 3 minutes. Strain into a cup. Serve warm. Number 9. Lime juice. Wash the limes and cut them in half. Squeeze fresh lime juice into a glass or jug and remove seeds. Add cold water, sugar and a small pinch of salt. Serve chilled with lime slices. Enjoy!